Pinpoint weather alert because it is about to get windy and cold in the days ahead.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center, but Tony, today was lovely.
Oh, 48 degrees and no wind. Very, very comfortable. And you're right, the alert is primarily due to some strong wind gusts and some wind chills and not so much for precipitation. I think the more important precipitation risk would come on Martin Luther King Monday. All right, take a look outside. It's nice. Clouds are on the increase. We're dry. Temperatures that are still in the 40s, but significant weather changes on the way. There you go. That is real nice. 48 degrees. But, the chill that's on the way is nothing gradual. It'll be like a light switch. It'll get substantially colder later tomorrow night and on into the weekend. So here's the breakdown. Threat tracker is low for tonight. We're bumping it up to yellow on Friday. Now, just some light rain and snow showers. I'm not overly concerned about the precipitation. The wind gusts are up to 40 to 50 miles per hour, so the wind advisory. Frigid later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night into Saturday morning, where we have a wind chill advisory. And on the weekend, we'll keep things at a yellow level as well, just for the simple fact that we have frigid air, sub-zero wind chills, at least during the morning. Storm potential is very, very late Sunday night, like after midnight and towards Martin Luther King Monday. That looks like snow switching over to rain. So it's quiet across New England. Let me show you the setup, and we'll be watching a developing storm offshore. Notice temperatures are pretty nice right now, but there is colder air over the border in Canada that will come down starting tomorrow. So we show you this really a rapidly intensifying storm, but it still looks like it's going to be far enough offshore so that we miss heavy precipitation. But we do get some light rain, some light snow showers, which in itself isn't too much of a big deal, but it is close enough to really crank up the winds around here tomorrow night into Saturday morning. And what it will do is the storm pulls away Friday evening, Friday night. It draws in on frigid air that'll park itself on top of us both Saturday and Sunday. Here we are Sunday morning, clear skies and frigid with high pressure in control. And then you see our developing storm for Martin Luther King Monday. Look at the temperatures, actual air temperature by Saturday morning, only 5 degrees above zero. Let's jump ahead now this is Sunday morning. We are dry, sun to increasing clouds. Daylight hours of Sunday are fine. There's our developing storm later Sunday night. What will happen is around the midnight hours Sunday, we'll get into some wet snow, but the way the storm tracks, we're going to switch over to a windswept heavy rain and very strong wind gusts during the pre-dawn hours of Monday. Here we are Monday morning with a windswept rain and then the storm lifting into northern New England by Monday afternoon and into Monday evening. So here's the breakdown for tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy, increasing wind, really just some sprinkles tomorrow morning, and then during the afternoon some light rain and light snow showers. Not overly concerned about precipitation amounts, but the wind really picking up and temperatures dropping off rapidly by Friday evening, Friday night. Cape Cod and the islands, there is a winter weather advisory for 1 to 3 inches of snow by tomorrow evening. In our local area, maybe a dusting, if that, but I'm not overly concerned about snowfall accumulations. But you get east of New Bedford and the better chance. Gale warning, really not just the offshore waters too, not just the bay. Very rough waters and some strong wind. 7-day forecast. Again, the precipitation is very light on Friday. The wind and the cold is more of the concern. A windy, frigid but dry weekend. And that Martin Luther King Monday storm is some snow but changing to a windswept rain and a high near 40. Brian and Kim?
Tony, thank you. Still ahead on 12.